When should you go for a dental cleaning? Dental cleanings are essential for maintaining a healthy smile and preventing serious issues. But how often should you really go? For most people, visiting the dentist every 6 months for a professional cleaning is the golden rule. This biannual visit helps remove plaque and tartar that your toothbrush and floss just can't reach. But if you have specific dental issues like gum disease, your dentist might recommend more frequent visits every 3 to 4 months. On the flip side, if your teeth and gums are in excellent shape and you have a low risk of dental problems, your dentist might suggest annual cleanings. Children should start dental visits by their first birthday and continue regularly as advised by their dentist to ensure healthy development. Don't forget, regular cleanings can prevent cavities, gum disease, and even bad breath. Plus, they give your dentist a chance to catch any potential issues early on. So, remember to book that dental cleaning and keep your smile shining bright. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your teeth in top shape.